Assalamualaikum and very good evening to Dr. Zaimi. Today my group will be presenting supply chain management and halal about the Munchy's company. My name is Nadira Atika together with my group member.
My name is Azrul Jihab.
Okay, so I will start with a brief introduction about the Munchy's company. Munchy's is the #1 homegrown biscuit brand in Malaysia. The business started in 1991, which is set up by two brothers, SK Tan and LK Tan, and the company is fully owned by the Chinese people. Okay, as you can see, these are the products that you can find in your local supermarket about the Munchy's brand. For example, on Crunch, Lexus, Music, and many more. So I'm going to start the presentation with the sourcing strategy regarding the Munchy's company, which they implement few sourcing strategy, which is the first one is few suppliers. Few suppliers mean the company build strong and long-term partnering relationship with few dedicated and reliable supplier. The supplier will better understand the needs of the company and its customer. By using a few supplier strategy, the company will gain economies of scale in terms of the advantage, which will reduce the production and transaction costs. For example, Munchy's is said to have few suppliers because the product produced is fall under one category, which is biscuit. So the raw materials are basically identical like flour, sugar, butter, and other else. The company varied the brand and the product in terms of taste and flavor. And the second strategy is joint venture. Joint venture means two or more companies combine to form a temporary partnership to gain business opportunities. It also allows companies to improve communication and also networking that can enhance their global operation. By doing joint ventures, the company will share efficiency and complement each other, and it also enhances company's ability to produce new product. For example, Munchy did a joint venture with a bakery which is called Munchy Bakery to produce the 7 days croissant. This one is one of the joint venture strategy. Okay, for the next strategy, I will pass to Azrul.
Okay, next I will be explaining on Kiretsu networks. Kiretsu is actually a Japanese term. There are two types of Kiretsu network, which are horizontal network and vertical network. This is vertical network. It describes the supplier as part of the company condition. For example, the headquarters of Munchy's, which is located in Batu Pahat, will supply their product to all of their branches, which include branches in Batuas, Ipoh, Alostar, JB, Kota Baru, and others. And next, virtual companies. It is depend on the relationship with a variety of suppliers to provide services or demand. The suppliers such as Lazada and Shopee. Munchy's will supply their product to Shopee and Lazada, and Shopee and Lazada will help Munchy's sell their product. So people nowadays they like to do online business, so they will not have to waste their energy to get any Munchy's product. So that's all for me.
Yeah, we continue the point from stage in quality control. Quality control process can be divided by 3 stages. First, product of process design stage, manufacturing stage, dengan after sales stage. Okay, I will describe about product of all process design stage, which is the design should be robust. Next, the product must also be able to go through the production process without reducing the quality of the output. For example, the company has invested in fully integrated conveyor system to state-of-the-art warehouse, and lastly is manufacturing and machinery use should also be high quality. That's all from me.
Okay, next moving on to manufacturing stage. So in manufacturing stage, we do have different kinds of inspection. So first is inspection of raw material. Every raw material arrived will be inspected to ensure that it follows a certain environment. Okay, not only that, Munchy is also using only ingredients that are safe and nutritious. So for instance, let's take oat crunch as an example. They only use organic oats as the main ingredients because it is rich in beta-glucan that help to lower cholesterol, blood pressure. Other than that, they only use organic hazelnut in their production. Okay, next moving on to inspection of production process. Okay, at this point, it is aimed to ensure that only works that meet the standard will be allowed to proceed to the next stage. So as for Munchy, they do have a specific department called quality control, and a well-trained inspector will inspect the products. Okay, next is inspection of the finished goods. Okay, inspection of the finished goods before being shipped or distributed. All of the products will go through another round of inspection, which is the last one. Okay, in this stage, there will be also an inspector to inspect the product, but this department is called quality assurance. Okay, last but not least is after sales stage, is to ensure that all their after sales service to customers are in a high quality in order for them to improve and improvise. As for after sales, they do have few platforms, for instance websites, contact number, and physical premises all over Malaysia. That's all from me.
So lastly, I will be presenting about the halal quality standard of Munchy's industry foods in Berhad. So, to achieve halal status, we know that a brand need to undergo strict processes to comply with stringent criteria set by JAKIM Malaysia. So as we know that, earlier Nadira just said that Munchy's company is the founder is a Chinese. They are non-Muslim. We know that. So their chief executive officer that is Rodney Wong. So under Rodney Wong we have the director of operation, and all their general manager is all Chinese, Indian, and they are non-Muslim. So we know that consumer or customer they want a halal quality standard. They want their product. They want to eat halal thing because we are as a Muslim. So Munchy's just they want to get the halal quality standard. So they first received halal status more than 10 years ago. And also, they also receive, there is a new achievement for Munchy's. They receive award, there is the Brand Laureate World Halal Best Brand Award on 2018, and this is the new achievement for Munchy's, and they are very proud of that. And also, with the community of Halal, they also can participate Halal trade show. There is MIHAS, there is Malaysian International Halal Showcase. So, Munchy's, we can say that Munchy's, they are so proud to say that they have always recognized the importance of manufacturing the halal product. So they are really take their halal status very seriously. So I just get to that. Also, I just want to highlight on the issue that Munchy's have received on the last few years. That is on February 2015. The issue is about there are SMS that goes viral about the Munchy's. There are false statement about the JAKIM was do a raid at the factory at Batu Pahat Munchy's. So the statement told that JAKIM found a store that has a liquor and also alcohol at Munchy's factory. So that was false, and all consumer was very triggered about that. So they just share it, they viral it. So Munchy's, so JAKIM was confirmed that Munchy's is a halal product. So we as a consumer did not have to worry about the halal status of Munchy's industry foods in Berhad.
Thank you.
Thank you.